How to add the PayPal payment button widget to the HTML. So in order to do that, open your PayPal account and it has to be in business mode. So make sure to open your business PayPal account and click on Pay and Get Paid. And on the right, click on Create Payment Links and Buttons. So firstly, we have to create the HTML payment button link. So it's pretty simple. Here you can click payment button, enter here the item name. You can enter here description, choose the type of the price. I'm gonna set one set price, for example, 5, and set here the currency. Down here you can customize your payment button, and here is the preview. And on the right, click on build it, and it will create your own payment button. Now you are in payment link, you can copy it here, but we want to click on stacked buttons. And here is the code language, make sure it's the HTML. And here simply copy this text and paste it to the head of your website. And the part 2 is to paste this code in your website's body. So simply copy this. If you open the WordPress, you can go to settings, open header and footer, and copy the head and paste it to this section. And also copy this and put it to the body, which is down here. Another option, click on single button and you can simply copy this and put the single button to your head section on your website. So as I said, this is the WordPress and you can simply copy it here to the clipboard and paste it, and it will be visible as a single button on your website. So it's that simple, you can try it on your own, and if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.